Jumpstart your weight loss for 2023. Do the Wolfgang puck. So some of y'all may know, or maybe do the Gordon Ramsay. So, Gordon Ramsay, Wolfgang Puck, they're superb chefs. I've been to a couple of their restaurants and the food's pretty good, right? But that's not the point. The point is, if you want, to lose weight or just to get healthy, restore your organ function, there's a specific formula, a way of doing things. Just like when you cook. When you cook, we all have Gordon Ramsay, Wolfgang Puck, they all have the same materials, the same food, the same utensils to cook. How come when they cook it, it tastes a whole lot better than like when I cook it, right? It's because there is a process. And you can have all the same materials, but if you don't have the right process, you're not going to get the same result. And that's what Chris and I are bringing you. We're bringing you a specific process that is effective, it's natural, it's healthy way to lay the foundation for weight loss, if that's what you want to do, or if you don't want to lose weight, it doesn't matter. If you want to lay the foundation for great optimal health for 2023, you need to get on this program. The program, you can click on the link, I'll put it in the comments below also, Jumpstart Your Weight Loss. It expires, the promotion expires March the 27th. It expires March the 27th, okay? So make sure you get on this ASAP. You only got a couple more days. Again, if you want the process is what we're teaching you. The secret sauce, the process.